All right, plenty of beautiful fall foliage out there. How about this nice one from Debbie Burton? And of course, this maple tree is still in transition as the chlorophyll is changing out the color, and certainly a nice shot there. How about a drive? And this is a nice shot from Jim Carpenter out on a gravel road there in rural Greene County. Of course, a lot of color right now, especially across Central Virginia, beginning to go past peak elsewhere, but still enjoy it while it's here. Well, how about today? This Wednesday, we topped out at 81 at the airport. 15 degrees above average, southerly winds at 13, and we still have a breeze out there, which will still be with us tonight. So temperatures won't be as chilly, and temperatures tomorrow are going to be just as warm, maybe a few degrees warmer. 73, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touched 77 for the high this afternoon. At this hour, we still have 74 in Palmyra, 76 there in Orange, 73 in Stanton, 72 in Harrisonburg. And as mentioned, temperatures tonight will settle anywhere from the mid-50s to near 60 degrees under clear to partly cloudy skies. All right, get your dance on, Monster Mash, whatever you want. We're going to highlight Halloween here, and yes, it will be a toasty one, as temperatures tomorrow afternoon will basically top out either side of 80. Specifically for Charlottesville, the record is 82, so we could certainly challenge that. This October, with no rain expected tomorrow, will go down as the fourth driest. We've had less than 4/10 of an inch of rain for the entire month, and of course those rain days that we did have measurable rain, that was the first part of the month, of course, after a soaking and soggy September. So there we are tomorrow afternoon, upper 70s to low 80s, and specifically for the trick-or-treaters tomorrow evening, say between 6 and 9 o'clock, eerily mild but spooky fun as temperatures go from the lower 70s into the mid 60s. As we look at what's ahead, well, it's still going to be warm on Friday, first day of November. There will be a few showers possibly in the morning before we start to clear the skies, but the cooler air lags behind the front, but that will arrive for the weekend with temperatures back in the more seasonable 60s. Things are pretty quiet other than some high and mid-level clouds out there. We have an area of high pressure not only at the surface but higher up in the atmosphere, and that'll begin to shift offshore, and that's going to allow more of a broad southwesterly wind. That in conjunction with an approaching front that's bringing severe weather out across the plain states, upper Midwest. This is a severe thunderstorm watch box through Iowa, northern Missouri, and then from Oklahoma down into portions of Kansas. You can see some of the active tornado watches at this time. So that storm system will weaken as it approaches us, but it's helping to drive in the warmth. I mean, look at these numbers right now. 81 in St. Louis, 82 in Oklahoma City. Then we get back in the 30s and 40s back across the Rockies. Denver currently at 42. So here we are in the morning. Temperatures will climb out of the 50s. A warm Halloween as temperatures will top out either side of 80 degrees. Another September-like afternoon. And then tomorrow evening, fine for all the trick-or-treaters out there. By early Friday morning, we'll have a few showers around. The front still just off to our west. So the morning hours to about midday, a few of those spotty showers, then some clearing skies. Winds will shift out of the northwest. Still warm on Friday before we get that cool down in here for the weekend. So 55 to around 60 tonight, clear to partly cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast showing you, again, a warm finish to October. November awaits, still warm for that first day, and then a cooler weekend as we fall back 1 hour early Sunday morning, but temperature set to ramp right back up for the middle and end of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And to check